Hi, I'm Catherine from Organized by Catherine. If your plans this summer include cleaning out and organizing your garage, follow these 5 easy tips for success.
Tip number 1, remove all your vehicles from your driveway.
So step 2, now that the driveway is empty, start pulling everything out of the garage and start making big, broad, general piles. So we've got here tires, we've got a pile of gardening supplies, we've got a pile of hooks, we've got a pile of sporting equipment, and you just keep going until everything in the garage is sorted into broad category piles in your driveway.
Tip number 3, whatever you don't plan to sell, the quickest and easiest way to get rid of it is with a free sign at the end of your driveway. It'll be gone in no time.
Most garages fail due to a lack of shelving. Buy the most industrial shelving you can afford and group your like items together and store them in clear bins so that everything is easier to find. My next tip is to go vertical. Use the space on the walls as storage. Adding pegboard and hooks allows you to use the walls to store larger items such as bicycles and ladders. If the thought of organizing your own garage is simply too overwhelming, please contact Organized by Catherine